We like to be there with the customer. If it's a new customer to a product, then we spend a lot more time with them to get them comfortable with the aircraft, but there's things you just don't know, and you need somebody there to just not hold your hand, but reassure you that what you're doing is correct, or hey, we don't do it this way, we do it this way. We do that to build that relationship with the customer. Greg Judd, Customer Service Engineer, Manager for the Americas. At Bell, and in our position, it's all about the relationship. The product's fantastic, it sells itself, but the service is where it really happens. And we pride ourselves on being there 24/7 for our customers. So we have to start the relationship, and then we have to grow that relationship. We have to keep that trust with the customer, and that's what we work on. That's what we do. We're there for them so they can operate the product. And all of my team are technical experts on models. And we're not just technical on one model. We may have a specialty on a certain model, but we can help with every model we sell, which is pretty unique. We did a study just recently. I just did a quiz to see all the tech reps in the world, all the CSEs in the world, over 1,500 years of experience between 47 people. So that tells you what goes on here. We come to Bell after we've really had a career already. We bring that expertise with us to Bell so we can complement the sale of the aircraft and the customers. And we have the relationship with the customers. We all worked in the industry before. We were customers, so we understand the customer's position. We've walked in their shoes. That's what makes us good, in my opinion, about what we do.